Scottish Winter Wonderland. How to decorate festive Christmas. Imagine stepping into a cozy Highland retreat, the scent of pine mingling with hints of spiced mulled wine, and the flicker of candlelight dancing across tartan throws. Christmas in Scotland isn't just about snow-dusted hills and festive markets. It's a celebration of heritage, warmth, and natural beauty. And what better way to bring this magical atmosphere to life than by transforming your home into a Scottish winter wonderland? In today's video, we're sharing unique and enchanting ways to decorate your space this festive season. From rustic elegance to traditional Scottish charm, we'll help you create a holiday aesthetic that feels as though it's been plucked straight from the Highlands. Let's dive into the magic. Start with tartan touches. No Scottish Christmas is complete without the timeless appeal of tartan. Incorporate tartan ribbons on your Christmas tree, wrap gifts in tartan pattern paper, or drape a tartan blanket over your sofa. Plaid patterns add a cozy and heritage-inspired vibe to any room, instantly transporting you to the heart of Scotland. Pair these patterns with neutral colors or natural materials like wood and stone for an authentic look. Imagine a fireplace adorned with tartan stockings and greenery. It's the perfect festive scene. Celebrate nature's beauty. Scotland's breathtaking landscapes are a treasure trove of inspiration. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating natural elements like pine cones, holly, ivy, and mistletoe. Create stunning centerpieces with fresh evergreen branches, berries, and candles to add warmth and fragrance to your home. For an extra magical touch, consider adding faux snow or frost effects to your greenery. This subtle shimmer mirrors the glistening beauty of a Scottish winter morning. Light up the darkness. Winters in Scotland are long and dark, but that just means more opportunities for twinkling lights. Use fairy lights to wrap around your tree, mantelpiece, or even a staircase. Lanterns with warm candles evoke a sense of tradition, while LED lights shaped like stags or snowflakes add a modern flair. Place a cluster of candles in varying heights and designs on a wooden tray. Add sprigs of rosemary or cinnamon sticks for an aromatic and visually stunning display. Bring the Highlands to the table. Your dining table is the heart of holiday gatherings, so give it the attention it deserves. Set the scene with a tartan tablecloth or runner, and accent it with rustic wooden placemats or chargers. Incorporate traditional Scottish elements, such as miniature thistles or heather, into your centerpiece. For a playful nod to Scotland, use stag motifs on napkins or plates. And don't forget to include a decanter of Scotch whiskey as a finishing touch. It's a holiday essential. Add personal Scottish flair. Nothing says home like personal touches that reflect your own family traditions. Whether it's a cherished ornament passed down through generations or handmade crafts created with loved ones, these details bring warmth and authenticity to your decor. If you're feeling creative, make your own garlands using dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, and tartan ribbons. These DIY touches not only look charming but fill your home with the irresistible aroma of Christmas. Are you enjoying these festive tips? If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more cozy Christmas content. Give this video a thumbs up if it sparked your holiday spirit, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to decorate for Christmas? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Embrace the stag motif. The stag is a proud symbol of Scotland and fits perfectly into a winter wonderland theme. Incorporate stag designs in your home decor through pillows, artwork, or even tree ornaments. This motif brings a sense of majesty and ties your decorations to Scotland's wild beauty. Combine the stag motif with earthy tones and metallic accents like gold or copper to create an elegant, cohesive look that's both rustic and refined. Festive fragrance. Scotland's Christmas magic isn't just about how things look, it's about how they feel. Infuse your home with holiday scents reminiscent of a cozy Highland lodge. Use candles, diffusers, or stovetop potpourri featuring fragrances like cedarwood, cinnamon, and orange. For an extra sensory delight, bake some shortbread cookies and serve them with mulled wine or spice cider. Your home will smell and feel irresistibly festive. Snow-inspired accents. While snow isn't guaranteed even in Scotland, you can recreate its frosty charm indoors. Incorporate white and silver decorations, frosted glass ornaments, and shimmering garlands to add a wintry sparkle to your space. Balance these cool tones with the warmth of tartan or natural wood for a cozy yet sophisticated vibe. Don't forget to place a snowy wreath on your door to welcome guests into your winter wonderland. As the snow gently falls outside, your home glows with the warm, enchanting charm of a Scottish winter wonderland. By combining traditional tartan touches, natural accents, and festive lighting, you've created a holiday retreat that's as magical as the Highlands themselves. So gather your loved ones, sip some whiskey by the fire, and embrace the spirit of Christmas in true Scottish style. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired your holiday decor, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Wishing you a Merry Christmas filled with joy, warmth, and a touch of Scottish magic. Slintava.